Wireless Apartment Lock Solution Quick Start Guide. Step 1. Install the Mosquito service. Go to the C Program Files Mosquito directory and replace the two files. Please click to Task Manager Services Mosquito, right-click to restart. Step 2. Customize a secure password using Windows Run naming. Please remember the password you set and retrieve the server address. Step 3. Run the installer to install the software. Suggest enabling HTTPS protocol to increase the security of tenant mobile applications. Choose other modules besides wireless apartment lock according to your own needs. The software service takes some time to run successfully. Please be patient. Set a new password to log in. Step 4. Complete basic settings. The basic information of the apartment filled in will be displayed on the H5 interface accordingly. Fill in the real server address and software port in H5 setting. If the server is not mapped to the public network, the tenant's phone needs to connect to the apartment's Wi-Fi to access the H5 mobile application. If the server is deployed to the public network, tenants can access H5 mobile applications using the operator's network. Fill in the URL in MACT setting as the actual server address. The port does not need to be modified. Step 5. Due to the different firewall settings of the switches, in order to ensure connection stability, it is necessary to add both the gateway and software ports to the TCP and UDP whitelists by default. Name TCP 809.81883 UDP 809.81883. Step 6. In normal operation, you only need to connect to the one port to access the internet and communicate with software. The LAN port is used only when configuring device management settings. When setting up the gateway for the first time, allow PC access to the gateway's default 82 subnet. After the setup is completed, can clear the default 82 subnet settings for PC access gateway. The admin panel can be accessed through LAN ports using the actual IP address of the gateway. Access the Gateway Network Admin Panel. Default username, root, password, admin. If your network environment allows DHCP, the gateway will automatically obtain the IP address to access the network. If your network environment uses a fixed IP mode, configure it here. After filling in the information according to the actual situation of your own network environment, click Save and Apply. Access the Gateway Local Control Backend. Default username, admin, password, 87,654,321. Enable the plugin and click to modify. Change MACT broker to MACT's correct server address, 1883. Modify MACT username and MACT password to be consistent with those set on the PC. Step 7. Log into the software, search for and add gateway devices. It is recommended to modify the name of the added gateway to building floor room number range. Step 8. Enable the gateway network configuration mode. Press the lock confirm button 6 times in a row to activate the lock's connection mode. The breathing light will flash until it prompts complete. Click refresh and the lock will automatically connect to the software. Bind the corresponding room and modify the lock name to match the room name. After completing the setup, remember to turn off the pairing mode of the gateway. Step 9. Register a property manager and a tenant. When there is both an administrator or a property manager and tenants in a room, all the opening permissions of the administrator or the property manager will be automatically frozen, and only the tenants will be able to open the door. Once the tenant is removed, the permissions of the administrator or the property manager will be automatically restored. Step 10. Use the default password in the email to open the door. Fill in the email number provided during check-in and obtain a verification code to log in. Change the default door opening password to your own need password. Use the modified new password to open the door. Thank you. Wishing you great success with your business.